Alright, here we are in Showlow, Arizona. If you ever want a good cup of coffee or to come hang out, you got your pets, come here to the Port Station in Showlow, Arizona. People are super nice here, super friendly, and a really good cup of coffee. You got a nice little seating area over here. Back here they've got a drive-through and an order there. It just went under new owners in the last couple of years, and they've done a lot of work to improve it. And the coffee is amazing. They were voted best coffee in Showlow of 2022. Let's take you inside now. And this is the inside of the place. You can bring your pets in. You know, little souvenirs here to buy. This is the one of the owners back here, Sarah. Sarah, say hi. So if you want good coffee, come to the Port Station in Showlow. And all types of cool stuff to buy in here. And they also sell purified water and ice, sodas, other stuff. If you want to like the coffee that much, you can buy coffee down here. Plus souvenirs. They got dog treats for your doggy. Fresh pastries. Alright. And that is the Port Station in Showlow, Arizona.